So this is a follow-up to my first two videos. I had a couple of questions for details. If you're like me, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so I'm going to try to give you some close-up perspective of how I built this. This is just rectangular tubing, 2 inches by 3 inches, 10 gauge wall thickness. You can see how I took some flat metal, 1/4 inch, put on either side of the leg, and I just took some grade 8 bolts, oil light bushings, and made a roller assembly. Inside there's a 3/16 cable, and that is a 3/16 pulley that I purchased from erigging.com. I tried to just use common things I could find, like washers, spacers that you can purchase at any hardware store. Those are equipment pins for a tractor. On each corner there's a cable that goes up around a pulley, down the length of the tube on the inside, and it comes back around to a second pulley. And the same here with a shorter cable. It goes from the corner up and around the pulley to its second pulley. And so you have 2 cables that come to the same point and are attached to one cable that goes up to the winch. So as it comes around that pulley, if you move 4 foot with a single cable, it pulls each cable up 4 foot so that they distribute the load and pull it up evenly on each corner. I'm just using a 2,500 pound winch from Harbor Freight with something that was easy to source. It attaches to a battery. You can see the connector there. And I have mirrored the same exact setup on the other side. This way you can pull up each side independent, so you can keep it level, and you have redundancy for strength. Unfortunately, I didn't take any video of constructing this because I really didn't think there'd be that much interest. But my friends all told me that other people would be interested in this, so I made this video. And I hope that what I've shown you here may help you if you try to take some of these ideas. For the platforms that the foil are set on, I just took back-to-back 3/16 angle iron so I could transition from the top of the tube to the runner. And I put them in this configuration so that when you wanted to either work on the foiler, or I put my lawnmower on here as well, change the blades, you'd have access. You can see I just took flat metal 3/16 and used it to support the diamond plate that the foiler actually sits on. I hope this video helps anyone who's trying to recreate this. And thanks for taking interest.